Okay, let's move right on and also bring another important voice on the markets. We spoke to Aditya Birla, Sun Life AMC's A. Balasubramanian. He was in conversation with my colleague Jayesh Khilnani on slowdown and the government reforms for tackling it. Listen in.
I think if you look at the last 3-4 months of trend, the government has been taking some action towards driving the growth back. And what was said and done, there has been a slowdown in terms of overall growth momentum, both in terms of GDP numbers as well as we are seeing a general slowdown in terms of consumption. And what government has taken steps in order to boost the sentiment in the market, they have taken the first step as a tax cut is the way to build the confidence. I'm sure many such measures would be taken as we move forward, as was promised by the finance minister, to get back on a growth path, which is what I would assume. I think as you move forward, we'll see it happening. Second is, one should also remember the fact that now we have the festival season is going to begin, and we'll also have a harvest season beginning in the month of January because of good monsoon. I think both should help actually reviving the sentiment from the corporate point of view as well as from the broad economic point of view. And combined with some more measures that will come from the government of India as soon as possible, we'll probably see foreign investors start looking at India as one of the investment opportunities as they've done in the past. At the same time, one also should not forget about the fact that the financial market, especially the credit market, have not been that robust, and the confidence were a bit lacking, and the lack of confidence currently is also holding back the investment or maybe the credit offtake in the country. Maybe once they address the current the crisis of confidence, especially in the financial market in terms of lending to each other, I think if that starts coming back in terms of rotation, I think we will probably see money starts coming in.
Sure, and talking about the mutual fund industry, latest AMC numbers on a monthly basis, they showed slight bit of slowdown as far as the equity inflow is concerned. Now, what is the reason that you are foreseeing? Because we have seen the government make a lot of positive announcements. Despite that, we have not got robust equity inflow. SIP book, however, stays stable at more than 8,000 crores. But the other aspect about the mutual fund industry is that we have started gaining a lot of more acceptance in terms of the active versus passive funds. So what is your take on the two different styles of mutual fund investing?
I think first and foremost, the industry has seen a robust growth for the last 5-6 years. I would probably say the year of consolidation, we will probably see some investors holding back their investments because on the basis of the past 1 year experience or 2 years experience, 3 year experience.
Well, if there was one stock that was making it to